So my first question for our esteemed panelists here is, where should we get our initial investment? Where can we get the most bang for the buck in terms of automating our practice? And we have this great mix of folks. We have the receipt bank team, which is basically the front end of automation. We have accounting software representative, which is sort of in the middle. We have Roman representing infrastructure automation. And then we have Martin helping us make sense of the information once we get to the back end of the transaction flow. So I think we've got a really good mix of different perspectives. And so if each of you would say, where do we start? Where can we get the biggest bang for our buck? So let's start with you, Roman, because you're the first face that I see on the screen. What do you think?
Yeah, thank you. Well, I think one of the things we've got to point out is when we talk about automation, early on in the paperless transition, what a lot of firms did was automate their own processes, digitize manual things, as opposed to really taking a step back and looking at the tools that automate not only what they do, but what the clients do to help, streamline production and everything. And so the three areas we focus on when we do a review for a firm is, first of all, digitizing all the workflow and projects. So using tools like XCM, like Thomson's Firm Flow, Advanced Flow, CCH's Workstream, that allows everyone in the firm to have a digital dashboard into what's happening on any project at any time, including prioritization. We also focus on the digital ingress. And so what we're seeing is the transition from what used to be like email solutions and one-way portals to what we call, PBC portals that are provided by client, where you actually interact with the client, giving them a list of things that you need to automate your practice working with them. And that would be, for instance, on the audit side, the PBC list would be documents you need to prepare the audit, or on the tax side, specific tax documents. And then on the third thing we talk about is, automating our introduction with our clients is using collaboration tools. And so just like we're using Zoom here, a lot of our firms have started adopting Teams and Slack as a way to not only collaborate internally, but also to collaborate with clients. And if you have always the client's focus in mind as you work on these things, you'll make sure that you develop a thorough solution.